Okay, guys, you see, I've realized that most of you guys that really want to do this FX thing, you're not really ready yet. That's just the truth. The reason why I'm actually starting this way is because I just wish I had somebody that told me these things I'm about to share with you, about FX trading. As much as we know that it's very lucrative, yeah, but it's good that before you start a thing, you count the cost. And how do you count the cost? You have to watch out for those that have been ahead of you. You get those that have actually ventured into that line of business, and you ask them questions. It pains me to see and discover all by myself that most of us newbie traders, we were sold a false narrative. I don't know if you're getting the point I'm trying to make about the way the FX market works, and that is the reason why I'm actually doing this video. I've had loads of people chat me up, send me messages in my DM, and they're like, why is it that what they see online is not reflecting in their trading experience about this FX trading thing? And when I see messages like that, I will just smile because I've been in your shoes, and I can as well tell you, it's just unfortunate that when you come online, you would see a whole lot of lies about the Forex market, and that is why I've taken it upon myself as a point of duty to tell you guys the truth about FX trading. Whatever it is your mentor might not tell you, I'll tell you. I know I'm not your mentor, I'm not a big name yet in the industry, but for one that has been trading since 2019, though not yet as profitable as I want, but I can at least tell you that I've had experience about the way the market works, and there are some truths I will tell you. You might not have heard it from your mentor, but I would open up all of it to you in this video. So do well to watch this video from beginning to the end, especially you newbie trader, or you that is just coming into the Forex space. You're just getting to understand and know the way the market works. And even if you're a pro trader, a whole lot of things I'm going to share in this video will just would be like a sum up of what you already know, and like a reminder, to keep you in check and on track in this FX trading game. Now, if this is your first time of coming through to my channel, my name is Mike, and I'm documenting my journey here on YouTube. And for those that has been following the Exness challenge, you might as well have watched my previous episodes. And I just want to say a very big thank you for all of you that has been watching my videos, liking and subscribing. I so much appreciate you guys. Thank you for following the journey. Thank you for being a whole lot of support to my brand, and I'm so grateful. So let's talk about most of the misconceptions in the Forex trading space. Now, the truth of the matter is, most people that come into this Forex trading, mistake number one they make is coming into the industry with the get rich quick mindset. Most of us, let's just be realistic, bro. Let's tell ourselves the truth. We all came into the space with that mindset of, once I start 1 month, 2 months, I'll start making it big. You get, that's one of the things that lured most of us into the trading space. But over time, we realize that it doesn't work that way. As a matter of fact, I feel it's a principle of life. Whatever it is you rush into, you rush out. You get the point. So it applies to Forex trading also. So for you newbie trader that is just coming into the industry, I want you to know that the industry is lucrative. Yes, there's a whole lot of money in it. Yes, but are you willing to pay the price? See, you don't see videos like this online, and that is what pains me. If I had watched a video like this, saying the things I'm about to share with you before I started, I kid you not, guys, it would have shortened my journey in this Forex industry. I'm telling you the truth. But there were not much videos like this. Videos you see on YouTube basically would be more of course selling or mentorship programs videos, motivational videos that are not realistic and all of that. The Forex lifestyle and all of that. We did not have people that would come out and tell us the truth about the dark side of trading and the requirements, what is required for you to be a profitable forex trader. And that's the reason why I'm actually doing this video. See, first guys, you have to know that it's a whole lot of work. It's a whole lot of work to be a consistently profitable forex trader. Like, there will be a whole lot of ups and downs in your journey. Okay, and I want you to know, I'll just be talking at random, guys. I don't want it to look like I'm giving you a script or set of rules. No, I'm just sharing my experience with you, what I've realized over the past 5 years of trading. That trading is not about forex trading. Basically, it's not about you being able to take 10 trades and you win all of the 10 trades. That's not a realistic way to measure success in forex trading. As a matter of fact, people you see doing all of those things, they actually know what they are doing. I'm not saying it's not possible to take 10 trades and win 7 out of 10 or win 10 out of 10. What I'm trying to say is it's not sustainable, and that's not what's going to define if you're a profitable trader or not. You see, so most of us, when we started and we would go online and see people showing us their trade history, we will see people taking 20 trades, they win 17, just lose 3. We used to think that is how the market works. And when we started striving for a strategy that will give us that kind of result. That is where we started missing it. And that is the point where we started going in circles. You use this strategy, you notice that you might get 2 or 3 wins and the next 4 trades are losses. You will be like, oh, this strategy not they work, make a change. You change it, you try another one, or you buy a mentorship program, or you buy a course that was advertised to be a 100% win rate strategy. You try it and it's still not working. So we actually saw the false narrative that there's actually a strategy you will use and you will never lose. In fact, there are some of all these forex marketers that would make it look like once you get this strategy you will never lose. It's a 99% win rate strategy and all of that. Bro, see, you're so lucky to be watching this video and hearing things like this from me. I can tell you guys that real FX trading is not a straight line. Like, real progressive, consistent, profitable forex trading doesn't work that way. See, there are weeks you will make losses. That's just the truth. See, if your mentor wants to be honest with you, he's going to tell you these truths. See, the forex trading space is a wave. It goes up and down. You get a profitable trader, a real FX profitable trader. If he shows you his trade history, you would see a whole lot of words. Don't allow anybody to deceive you. You will see a whole lot of words with a whole lot of blues too. But the difference is you will see more of blues than reds, meaning you will see that he is winning more than he is losing. So don't allow anybody give you the mindset of once you start trading, your strategy must not lose. Bro, there's no strategy that does not have losses attached to it. That's just the way the market works. The most important thing is you should have an edge over the market. So for you newbie trader, I want you to take off that mindset of there's one strategy or one indicator you will buy that will give you 99% win rate or 90% win rate or even 80% win rate or GA. There's nothing like that. Don't allow anybody to deceive you. The most important thing is once you're able to have a good strategy that has an edge over the market and you're able to work on your psychology to ensure that you don't over risk. You can have a good strategy but your emotions is messed up, your psychology is messed up, you're over risking. Maybe you enter a trade, you take a loss. The next trade you want to double up, you increase your lot size. How would you want to be consistent trading that way? I don't know if you're getting the point I'm trying to make. So the mindset of this get rich quick thing should be off your mind. You should erase it out of your mind if you really want this thing to work for you. And number 2 is you have to be ready to pay the price of hard work. Bro, trading is hard work. Like, FX trading is one of the hardest skills to learn, one of the hardest skill sets to get, and that is why it's highly rewarding. If you can master it, it's highly rewarding. It can change your life in a month. But getting to that profitability stage is where the work is. So are you ready to pay the price? Are you ready to pay the price? That is why I laugh when I see people, they say they want to start forex trading, but you don't have time to analyze your chart. You don't have time to understand the particular forex pair you want to trade. You want to do signal service, you want to take signals. Is that how? Tell me one profitable forex trader you know online that trades from just copying other people's trade, from doing signal copy trades. Bro, it's not sustainable. It's something that you must acquire the skill set by yourself. So you get the point that they try to make. You must acquire it by yourself. Like, you must learn the market yourself. Somebody can put you through a name of mentorship and mentoring you, but you see that hard work side, if I would always say it on this channel that if you have a job that does not give you time at all, leave FX trading. Look for something else. You get, just look for something else. You have a job that 247 from 9 to 6. You don't even have time to, you don't have spare time for yourself. You can't do this FX thing now. It's not going to work, because see, there's something called chat time, screen time. No matter how busy you are, if you want to do this FX thing, you must make out time for analysis, market analysis, your own personal market analysis. And when they talk, you only say, you will see person say buy GBP USD, you just rush and you buy because you believe the person is a successful trader. Follow the person for 1 month and see if you will be successful. You never understand, you never know what's in this up. I don't know if you guys are getting me. You get? So are you willing to pay the price for time? And another misconception we had was that we thought capital was our problem. When we started understanding the way the market works, we now thought, if I just get capital now, big capital, like everything don't balance. Yeah, to some level of extent, capital can be a limitation, but the truth of the matter is capital is not really the major problem why you're not seeing results yet, because especially with now that we have prop firms around, we have free competitions around, like the one I'm currently doing. Capital shouldn't be your problem. Okay, that was the mistake we had. Most of us, we went ahead to even borrow money to trade, even when we are not yet strong enough, and we blew all of it, brother. We blew. I don't understand. We blew everything, bro. You get. But now we've learned that capital is not really any fact. It's not a factor that will stop you from being a consistent, profitable trader. One thing that I've realized that instead of focusing on capital, learn to build a portfolio. If you can trade for 2-3 months with consistent profits, even if it's a demo account, I'll assure you, capital will find itself to you. Go on YouTube or just document it, post online. As long as it's genuine and you can prove it and you can replicate the results, bro, even with your 10,000 naira, as a Nigerian, for example, you can start up building a portfolio. The thing is, the profit that you want to make might not come as big as you want because of the limited capital, but capital is not an issue. What's an issue is, have you taken time to build a portfolio? When I mean build a portfolio, trade an account for like 1 month. See, most of you claiming to be FX traders, you've never traded an account for 1 month, even if it's a demo account, and not blow it. You see, say now there the work there. You've not traded for 2 months straight. You've not been able to trade one account for 3 months straight. So that is where the work is. So at some point, you have to be honest and sincere with yourself. Like, sit down and ask yourself and try to evaluate yourself. How far have I gone? What has changed from the past 6 months of my trading, 1 year, 2 years? What has changed? What needs to be improved? And be honest with yourself. You see, most of us FX traders, we are not honest with ourselves. Why am I saying this? If you ask an average Nigerian Forex trader, for example, show me your account history for 1 month, they're not going to show you anything, because they've not been able to trade one demo account. I'm not saying a real account. They've not been able to trade one demo account for 1 month. So that they crash it or they blow it. So can you see that we have a whole lot of work to do? So identify that area where you feel you're missing it. If it's area of psychology, master it. See, you will be the one to force yourself to understand the way the market works. No matter how you watch videos on YouTube, or no matter how you subscribe to anybody's mentorship, the person would only talk the way I'm talking. The person cannot enter into your brain or enter into your mindset or hold your arm to say don't click on this thing, don't increase your lot size. Nobody will come and do that for you. It is you that will restrain yourself and discipline yourself and say, let me tell myself the truth, this thing is not working. Let me calm down and learn the way the market works. That is the only way you can become better and improve. I think I'm going to stop this video here. I don't want to make it too long. I'm going to be doing videos like this to tell ourselves the truth, bro, because there's a whole lot of lies online and it's making this thing harder for especially the newbies coming into this industry. And I said to myself, if I start my YouTube channel, I'm going to be telling you guys the truth about how this thing works from experience, you get. And that's why I'm actually doing videos like this, to share my experience with you guys and to encourage you that it's possible. Now when I take a good look at my previous videos in the past, I just smile and I laugh because I can see the progress. I can see where I made mistakes. I can see my errors compared to now. Are you guys getting the point? So trading FX is a journey that you must be ready to pay the price of time, the price of discipline, and the price of commitment and being honest and sincere to yourself. You get the point. So I just thought to do this video because I know it's going to help somebody out there. If you sort of like content like this and you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, please do want to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have questions, drop them in my comment section. I'm open. I'll do well to reply you guys back. So thank you very much for watching the video from beginning to the end. See you guys in my next video. Bye.